608, let's get into it. In the data by system section within the FILE196 section, we've added these things called luminosity keys, and they are going to map the different shades of whatever color we're on to the different tile types that we want to lay down. So for the ash color, that basically means white or gray. We have this luminosity key. So the darkest, we're going to set the geometry tiles, and the lightest, we're just going to set nothing. For green, we have these kind of different materials here, right? So this is the geometry layer, and here's the different tile values we're going to set for the four different shades of green, right? For the bombs, we have this key here. So it's going to be on the bomb layer, which is 1, and the first 4 bomb types are shades of red. The next 4 bomb types are shades of blue, also on the bomb layer. And then these are lasers. So the yellow shades are 4 different types of directional laser boxes, which are also considered bomb tiles. For the last 3 shades, the 3 shades of cyan, this structure is kind of designed to have 4 entries each. So we're going to use the 4-way spark pin twice, and then have the boxy spark pin and the ring spark pin here. And spark pins are also considered to be bomb tiles, so hence there's a 1 for the layer here, or the bomb layer. Okay, so what we're going to do is, actually no, this is the magenta lookup key. We don't have any shades of magenta, so we're going to just say to set nothing. That's what this means. And then down here is our RGB luminosity key. What we're going to do is we're going to take the red, green, and blue and filter it down into a 3-bit binary value that represents that RGB value. And then from there, we'll go to one of these lookup tables. So we'll figure out what rough color we have and then look at the luminosity key for that color. So we have 2 references to the ash lookup table because that covers both white and black and gray and whatnot. The blue lookup table, the green lookup table, cyan, red, magenta, and yellow lookup tables. And these are the lookup tables that we're referencing here are up here. So we convert the RGB to a luminosity key. And then down here in FILE196, we just made this little flag here, waswar, so that we only do this little warning message once when we're calling this inside of a very dense loop. So like and subscribe, send money to the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic IVM.